Newton Food Center. This we tried for the local cuisine. We wanted to have something specific to Singapore, though मैं और माधव हमेशा locally खाते हैं. And this was a very very good experience because यहाँ पे इतने सारे hawkers हैं, and you get to try a lot of things. I mean, whatever you want to do. यहाँ के crabs, chili crabs with some bread that they give, it is very famous, though we didn't have that because we were already too full from our meals पहले की, but we still wanted to try some food. यहाँ पे थोड़ा Indian food भी था. I think this is for the tourists, though this was not a very touristy place, this was very local, I felt. So we tried the tiger prawns, prawn dumplings, and these barbecue chicken wings. Yeah, and now going on to the next day, we got ready. We went to Singapore Zoo on this day. And these are a few pictures after getting ready. This was kind of a ritual कि हम click करेंगे pictures अपनी after getting ready. And this is us in the zoo. इस दिन बहुत humidity थी, इस दिन बहुत गर्मी थी. ये यहाँ का zoo का map था. We were just following that कि हमें कहाँ कहाँ जाना है. These are a few birds जहाँ से शुरुआत हुई, and then these were, I don't know इनको क्या बोलते हैं. So yeah, many animals to see there. And यहाँ पे हमें orange juice के vending machines इतनी जगह जगह मिले, which were so nice, so refreshing. इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. Hardly $3 में we were getting such refreshing glasses of orange juice freshly squeezed in front of you. And this was seriously a savior in Singapore heat and humidity. And then we also went to the reptile zone of that zoo. We saw so many species of snakes, lizards, turtles, tortoise, a lot of them. Then we had the basics: giraffe, lion, rhinos, so many of them. बहुत सारे animals थे यहाँ पे. The best thing about Singapore Zoo is you can explore it on your feet, or you can also do it on a tram. So वहाँ पे एक अंदर ही ट्रैम चलती है, वो आपको बाहर से, या दिस ट्रैम, so वो आपको बाहर से आपको मेजर एनिमल्स आपको दिखा देगी if you're too tired to walk uphill downhill, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे uphill and downhill है. हम लोग वहाँ से थक के हम चले गए थे वहाँ से मॉल. I'll add the description of this mall and the name in the description because I don't remember the name right now. And वहाँ पे of course first stop was Charles & Keith, and I had to try so many pairs of footwear. Now just take a guess कि मैंने कितने footwear खरीदे होंगे Charles & Keith से इस trip पे. It was like a big thing for me. So this was our shopping kind of, and last minute भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें add on हुए ही जा रही थी, and इतने सारे shopping bags बन गए थे हमारे लिए. फिर we tried to find some vegetarian meal for our mother because she is a vegetarian. In Singapore में vegetarian food is difficult to find, but we still managed to find something, and to be very honest, that was the best thing. Now this is a pair of shoes which Madhav wanted to buy. He did end up buying it, but mummy was not amused by that thought, and she didn't like the shoe at all, and she was very very upset with him. She was very angry with him. So she ended up saying that he is wearing a Powerpuff Girls ka t-shirt. It's not Powerpuff Girls. It's not Powerpuff Girls. I think it's a big brand. I don't remember the name of it. Something with Carl something. But she was just quite upset with it. So this is the shoe that Madhav really wanted to buy, and he just loved it. And to be very honest, even I liked it a lot. अगर इसमें मेरा साइज़ होता तो शायद मैं भी ले लेती अपने लिए, but it was not available in my size. And basically mummy didn't like the cartoon on that shoe, those Looney Tunes characters, so, but I loved it. Okay, moving on. So ये हमारी सारी shopping थी, and this is where we went back to our hotel, and we were locked out of our room. My footwear was inside. I was just wearing the hotel slippers, and this was not the first time. This is the second time we lost our keys. I think, yeah, this video is from the next day when we got ready, or maybe in the evening. Yeah, this was in the evening when we got ready and we went to Chinatown.